Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palve from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty and USD and a technical view for the day. In the last week, Nifty opened on a negative note, but at the lower level, we have seen the buying momentum at the lower level in the last week. And Nifty closed a week with a strong note with a gain of around 110 point compared to the previous week at 8693 level. So again, in the last week, we have seen that Nifty has taken the support around 8500 level, which was a very important support area for near term as well as on the short term chart for this uptrend. So till the Nifty holds this 8500 level, the trend will remain positive on the short term basis also. On the weekly chart, Nifty has formed a bullish candle with a long lower shadow indicating that there is a buying interest at the lower level. So again, we'll reiterate our strategy to buy on dips, and the support area, as we have mentioned, 8550, 8500 are the immediate and important support area for any kind of minor corrective action in the market in the near term as well as on the short term basis. Nifty is continuously consolidating in a range of 8850 to 8500. This is the range which we have witnessed in the few weeks for the Nifty for consolidation mode, which is suggesting that there is a sideways trend for near term. Once the Nifty manages to give the breakout of 8850 level, then it will resume its uptrend on the short to medium term basis, and then we may see that Nifty may scale up in the range of 8950 or 9000 plus level in coming weeks. However, for the near term trader, 8720 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty crosses this level, then the buying interest will catch up in the market, and on the higher side 8800 8830 level can be witnessed in near term basis. Any breakdown below 8640 in the near term will again encourage the profit booking in the market, and lower side support would come at around 8550 or 8500 level. Nifty is trading below 220-day as well as the 50-day simple moving average, which is a cause of concern for the near term trend. Until the Nifty not manages to cross and close above these moving averages, it will face the selling pressure on the higher side or for any kind of pullback action. So overall trend is positive on the short to medium term basis, but on the near term basis the trend is in the sideways manner, and some sort of profit booking could be witnessed in the near term basis on the higher side. For the week, we are expecting that Nifty will trade in range of 8800 to 8600 with a positive bias for this week. Weekly indicator RSI and the statistics both are in the negative territory, suggesting that there would be selling pressure on the higher side for any kind of pullback action around resistance area, as we have mentioned, 8750 8800 level. For the day, 8685 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty holds and crosses this level, then on the higher side 8715 8740 are the next resistance area for intraday basis. However, if Nifty not crosses and breaks below 8685 level, then lower side supports are at 8660 and 8630 level for the day. Now moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are PFC, Tata Chemical, Exide Industry, Tata Chem, Godrej Consumer Product, TCS, HUL and HDFC. Negative bias stocks for the day are Titan, Ambuja Cement, Asian Paint and Power Grid. Now moving to the USD/INR. In the last trading session, USD/INR opened on a flat note and remained lackluster, and it has witnessed a very narrow range kind of move in the last trading session. It has moved in only 15 bips kind of range, 66.95 to 66.80. This was the range we have seen for the USD/INR. USD/INR has formed a small bullish candle carrying the either side shadow, indicating that there is an absence of strength and as well as the indecisiveness for the direction at the current level. USD/INR managed to close about 20-day simple moving average, which is sign of positivity on the near term trend. If USD/INR sustains for next 2-3 trading session at these level only, then some sort of buying interest we may see in the USD/INR, and on the higher side 67.10 can be the level on the higher side. However, if we look at the short to medium term trend, the trend is still in the negative side, and the pattern suggests that 67.10 is likely to act as a steep resistance for any kind of pullback action, and again there would be some supply pressure can come in the market on the higher side. On the lower side, 6680, 6670 are the immediate support area. If USD breaks below 66.70 level, then it will continue its down move on the near term as well as on the short term. And on the lower side, 66.50 to 66.40 are the next important support area for this corrective action. Thank you.